Our dream is to create the ultimate virtual reality flying experience. We want you to feel like you're really there as you glide, maneuver, and destroy your enemies. To make our dream a reality, we're building the highest resolution VR headset to date with an unprecedented 200-degree field of view. Introducing Pimax AK VR. When you put on a conventional VR headset, the first thing you notice is that your vision is narrow and surrounded by darkness. But with our headset's 200 degrees of view, you get an expansive, natural view of the virtual world. So you are free to move your eyes and use your peripheral vision to own every corner or defeat every enemy. A view this wide requires maximum clarity, so we're using a 4K display for each eye, totaling over 16 million pixels, more than 6 times the resolution of current VR headsets. We've worked hard to make Pimax AK VR a smooth experience, with a high refresh rate and low latency, even on modest hardware. To deliver a complete VR experience, Pimax AK VR supports full positional tracking and includes 2 positionally tracked controllers, so you can pick up objects and wield weapons. We've also built in speakers to bring realistic sound to your experience, and even added optional eye tracking and hand motion support. This isn't yet another VR hardware product. We're committed to building a complete and open VR system that's fully compatible with mainstream VR content platforms and existing accessories. Our goal is to make VR better for everyone. So we are collaborating with industry partners to foster a culture of open innovation in the global VR community. And we've already published our open SDK, so you can create your own projects for AK VR. We aren't new to VR. We have already delivered over 30,000 of our Pimax 4K headsets in less than 6 months. We have built close relationships with manufacturing partners, and have been traveling around the world demoing our new AK headset and getting feedback from researchers, gamers, and developers to make sure that we're building a VR system that you'll love. And we're already working with partners like Disneyland to take VR beyond the home. By designing our products with these amazing experiences in mind, we make sure that they're more than capable of delivering a world-class home VR experience.
We are very excited to launch our new VR headset on Kickstarter. We are looking for friends and partners to support us to make VR fly real. Back us and get an AK VR headset, and keep in touch with us to share your VR dreams.
Introducing Armz, the smart toy just for you. Armz consists of a main body and various attachable parts to make a moving smart toy. Connect to the Armz app to easily control your arms.
Operates the system. Beep, 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 beep. Watch your foot. Your foot may be dangerous.
Armz provides various arm attachments. Magnets allow for parts to easily attach onto the main body. Insert the sidearm into the groove of the main body and play games that are compatible with the sidearm. Depending on the situation, Armz can respond with different sounds. Placing the arms onto the charging stand also allows it to act as a mood lamp. If you want a one-of-a-kind Armz that is personalized just for you, then you can use 3D printing or create a new sidearm attachment yourself. Armz parts and application will be updated and released regularly so that you can enjoy even more types of fun. The smart toy that you can create just for yourself. Armz.
What is the power of a bee? Nothing. A bee alone is powerless. It's lost. On the internet, we are no different. Without collaboration, we are limited. Take the cloud. It's great to store and share our files, But on the cloud, we are lost inside someone else's data center. We don't own our data anymore. Remember? We all found free gigabytes seducing at the start. But the day you run out of space, how do you feel about paying every single month for the rest of your life? This is the truth. The cloud today is nothing but massive server farms that will keep milking our data and draining the energy of our planet. Unless we realize that safety is not on this cloud, safety is in numbers, and you can count on a whole swarm by your side. Cubbit is the world's first distributed cloud where collaboration puts the users in power. Together, we can shape the cloud as it should always have been. Green, forever free, encrypted by design. Because privacy is a fundamental right, not a premium feature. So, what is the power of a bee? Come beyond the cloud and see. Join the swarm.